Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. One, two, three, start. Others believe that our thoughts are dependent upon words, that we do not think of the thing itself, but of the words representing the thing, full stop. Certainly, if we stop at any moment and ask, inverted commas, start, what was I thinking of then? Question mark, inverted commas, close. We find that we have been using words in our thoughts, full stop, para. The use of words is one great difference that sets man apart from other animals, full stop. It is true that most living things seem to use sounds of some sort in their life with one another, but they do not use language as man does, full stop. So far as we can judge from historical records, man continued in a very early state of development until he began to speak, full stop. With the use of words, he developed more quickly, and when he learned to write down the words, his development increased at a very great rate, full stop. The written word seems necessary for the wide development of a people, full stop. With the written words, ideas can be passed on quickly and knowledge, won by experience and hard work, can be passed on to others who can then use of knowledge for their own purposes, full stop. At first, the written word could be used only by a few, as it was carefully and beautifully written by hand, and one copy only existed of each piece of writing, full stop. Now, however, thousands of copies of a book can be turned out in a very short time, and the thoughts and ideas of one man can be read by millions, full stop. This has its dangers, of course, as well as its advantages, for it may happen, and we have seen it happen, that a person with a powerful use of words can influence millions of people in the direction
हाँ जी।
he desires, full stop. For words are powerful things, people are moved to action by words, they are moved to action by the ideas expressed in words, full stop. We know that in political life, the man who is most successful is generally the man with the power to speak well, to use words in a way that influences people to believe what he says, full stop. We know that in business, the best salesman is the one who can overcome his customers with words, who can make them believe that what he has to sell is better than what other people have to sell, full stop. The successful writer is not always the one who tells the best story, but the one who can best use words to express his ideas and the feelings of his characters, full stop, para. Nor are shortened writers any less dependent upon words, full stop. Shortened writers depend upon words for their very existence, as shortened writers, for without words there is no shortened in the sense in which we understand it, full stop. Even the old picture writing was a form of shortened, for one picture had to express quite a long story, full stop. The modern shortened writer is like the successful story writer, the successful salesman, the successful man in political life, colon, he depends for his success upon full point.